This video is in collaboration with Jessica from The Waldock Way and Abby from Rooted in Rest. We're going to be giving you guys a look into our days. We're just getting back from Jamaica and extremely tired. Typically, hubby and I will do a workout, but today we chose to go on a walk. I'm glad we did because not only are we exhausted, but it was just really beautiful to see everything full and green, and all the geese and the little ducklings are back, and just a really good way to start the day in nature. We went home and my husband juiced us some celery, and then I put on a lunch for us. I typically like to make a lunch at breakfast. That way I don't have to tear up the kitchen too many times a day. Then I head upstairs to check on the boys. Cam's up because that's his blanket. He's dragging, but he's already gotten dressed and he's folding up his pajamas and getting his day going. Aiden is definitely resisting getting up, but I'm not going to push them because I know they're tired. So I'm going to get myself together and then we'll head down for breakfast. We'll do our devotional and our mindfulness, and we'll see where the day takes us. Cameron wants to go on a walk, so I think we'll start with that. So Ella and I got back from our walk. We did our celery juice. We had breakfast. The kids woke up. They got dressed. I went and changed. I'm pretty chill, so I ended up just putting on another sweatshirt. And I thought we were going to do school at the house. But when I woke up, Cam asked if we were going to go on a walk. So I was like, why not just go down to the pond? Since we're just getting back from vacation, there's laundry and things that need to be unpacked and put away everywhere. And I can find that a little distracting. Even when we don't have that going on, if, the house is out of order, just, from busyness or whatever, then I can feel a little distracted. And so it's then we head to the pond or a river or something and do school outside. So that's what we're gonna do today so that I'm not distracted and I can focus on the boys and schooling. And yeah, it just feels really good outside today too. So no need to be cooped up. So we're gonna just do a few things, ease back into school. We're gonna play some games. One-on-one, I'm just gonna do grammar with them today. And the boys will do their teaching textbooks for math and time for learning. Yeah, that'll be our school day. Just gonna ease back into this thing. So we're gonna set up over here by the pond, which is like a 5-minute walk from our house. So grateful to have this little spot. Yeah, so here we go. So I packed in my bag upwards and insects and spiders, so we'll start off playing those. And then since we weren't here to celebrate Earth Day, we had these 2 books. We'll turn around in a second. So we're going to be reading through these while we are sitting out here today. And then, like I said, the boys will do grammar and handwriting as well as their independent teaching textbooks and time for learning, right?
Yeah.
So do you guys want to start with those things or you want to start with the board game?
The board game.
Okay. So Cameron, let's start with the board game. We'll start with upwards or insects and spiders.
Hold
on 1 second, please. Do you want to start with insects and spiders, or do you want to start out with upwards?
Upwards.
Okay, let's start out with upwards.
Cameron, move your backpack with mine, Cam. That way it's not hard to
Yeah, Cameron, are you listening to your brother's words? He's asking if you will move your backpack out. I'm gonna move my backpack out and then slide. Okay, that's fine. You don't have to put it on the dirt. Ow, ow, ow. Why don't you put it? A pine cone got me. Ouch. Ooh, this one's super spiky. It's pretty though, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, this ends really spicy.
Yeah, I know. I just had it under the blanket and it wiped across my hand. Kind of hurt.
You can drop it.
Kind of hurt. Okay. So Cam, if you don't want to put your backpack in the dirt, you can put it right here.
I'm going to
Okay. Can you slide over? We can, my mom lives really close to here, so we can use her Wi-Fi.
Yeah, like why are they all there? That's super. They're like all flying away. It's so cool. I wonder. Ah, Kim! They're living things. I wonder if who gave you that? They still there. So, oh my gosh! I wish I had my bug catcher. I would be a million bug catch.
Okay, so now we just finished swing upwards and we're going to play insects and spiders. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Ready, Cam? Cam's not rather look at the real insects. He's spotted a couple of dragonflies. So maybe I'll let him do that for a second if he doesn't want to play, and me and Aiden will play this. Just go with the flow. All right. Okay, Aiden. Honeybees. Who's that?
True.
Let me see.
The thing you just
That
said,
might
true.
be a contractor calling. Hold on 1 second. Hello?
Was that a robot?
Well, that was the company. They were calling to confirm my time. I just wanted to make sure they confirmed the time that their repairman can go out to that house.
Was
Okay,
that
ready?
a robot?
Yes, it was. But it was informing me of my appointment time, confirming my appointment time. Okay, so bees. I can only sing once, then I die. True or false?
True.
True. What is the bee that runs the hive called?
Queen bee.
The queen bee. Okay. I'm probably not going to know the answer, but you can ask me. What are we talking about?
DITL.
Pests and plagues? Ooh, okay. All right, Cam decided to join us. He didn't really see too many things he wanted to identify with the Google Lens. So, what are you talking about?
What do the colors?
Hold on.
Two. You're holding
So
two cards.
we want to
Okay.
see the picture of the thing that you're actually reading. See, we see dragonflies, but you're talking about the dangerous. You're talking about dangerous insects. Okay, so go ahead.
It says, what do the coastal tiger beetles eat? Other insects, molars, or tigers? Tigers? Is it on the list?
Other insects?
I was gonna say small mammals. Your mom's right.
So in the middle of me reading, my mom walks out and puts a snack on the porch for the kids. So they're ready to get us some snacks, and then we'll come back and we'll finish the book. And they're getting hungry. We spent a little longer playing the games than I thought we would. So that's fine. We're just gonna go back and eat and then do grammar at the house. And then I'm gonna work on cleaning up. I really need to put my phone on silent. It keeps going off today. But I am waiting on contractors to follow up. I shared on Instagram a little while back that we bought our first rental property. And so, yeah, it's a little more work than I thought it would be initially, but it's all good. But so that's what I have to coordinate and work on this afternoon, stuff for that property. So finishing up school, and then I'll get to that, but that's what's happening right now. All right, my mother's talking to me. So read alouds are usually better with snacks. Anyway, so thank you, Nana, for bringing out some popsicles, and she brought me a pear, which was very sweet. So we're gonna keep reading, and then we will head back to the house to do grammar and stuff, guys, because we spent a little longer playing games, which is fine. But we're gonna go back because I'm sure Daddy will be ready for lunch. So, and I need to get it out of the Instant Pot. So let's read a few more pages, and then we'll finish this up at home. We are smart enough to stop buying single-use plastic. After learning about the negative effects of plastic waste, British sisters Amy, 16, and Ella, 14, set up a charity to share their knowledge and get people involved in their work.
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
You think the people with their eyes closed are blind?
No, I think they're just laughing. In these images, I think they're just kind of like, but they're laughing.
What they're laughing?
Maybe they're enjoying what they're doing.
Maybe they're just smiling.
Maybe they're just smiling. All right, so we are leaving the pond now, walking back to the house, and we're gonna eat lunch, and gonna let the boys do their independent work and try to get in a grammar lesson and ease back into this. So today we'll do grammar, and tomorrow we'll probably do grammar and math one-on-one, and then the next day we'll do grammar and math and add in spelling, and just slowly build back up to what we were doing, because we have been on break for almost 3 weeks, but we're gonna get back to it. We're gonna get back to it, and we're just gonna build our way back up. So we school year round, so I'm not pressed about it. We do school on the weekends too when we need to. So all good there. So home, lunch, a little bit of school. Then I have some work to do for a rental property that we have, some calls and coordinating contractors, and then laundry. Lots of laundry to catch up on from our trip. So that will be our afternoon. Just, it's our neighbor. Just a regular day. What are you doing?
I'm gonna pick up the worm and put him in here. Because I want him to live.
You want him to live?
Yeah.
Okay. Go for it.
3. Oh my gosh, he looks slimy.
He does look slimy.
I don't care if the worm is slimy or it is dry. Wish it was dry though, but you know.
Alice.
Alright, do I gotta do it?
Don't squeeze him.
Hey, it's just a worm.
Yeah.
Go in there, buddy. That's not the best place to put him, is it?
He's probably better.
Picked
He
up.
can dig his way underground and get out of the shade. I mean, get in some shade. He was doing like the direct. That's probably fine.
There, that should give him some shade.
Some more shade. That was sweet of you. All right, let's go home and wash.
Yeah, I kind of want to pick him up one more time and move him.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Leave him alone. Come on.
Okay, bye, bud.
Leave him alone. Come on. Here. Let me give you a squirt. I'm that mom, guys. I'm that mom. Here.
What's wrong with this touching the worm?
I mean, I don't know. But we won't find out now, will we? Let's sanitize and then go home and wash those hands. Hold on. Okay, hold on, Cam. Wait up for us.
Move your feet, yeah, move your feet.
Thank you, Jairus.
And go on.
Grilling up some mushrooms.
Oh, favorite.
While the boys play outside for a little bit. It's been a really, really nice day outside.
Ow! What?
How was your first day back at work?
It was cool.
Yeah.
Things were as I expected them to be.
What? Like a bunch of emails?
Nah, it wasn't too. I mean, I did have a bunch of emails, but I didn't leave. Things were in a good place.
Yeah.
And it's time to just pick up where I left off.
It's good.
Yep.
It's good. So that is it. I am tired. I am done. It's been a good day. We got school done, laundry. I got some work done. My husband's first day back. He seems like he had a good day. So dinner, grilled mushrooms. I'll probably add a side of fruit. I'm just going to sit out here because it feels really good outside and continue watching them play for a bit. And then I'm going to get back to doing the laundry and playing catch up on that from our trip. So I don't have that on me this week. So that's what I'm about to do after we eat dinner and just call it. So thanks for coming along with us today. I hope you've enjoyed getting a glimpse into our day and that you'll be back for more videos. All right, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.